Here it is. It's pretty big, to be honest. Goes all the way, all the way. This is it.
Yeah, that's so loud, that is.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video of VTEC. Yes, today we're going to be straight piping the Civic Type R. Yes, the first actual mod on a Type R Ep3 that I've ever done in my entire life. There's no VTEC without the VTEC noise. So anyway, so this is the straight pipe kit. This is actually got the decap pipe connected. The two for the sensors. Goes all the way here. So there's the Civic Type R. Put a lot of gas. Need to do like a sound test. Yeah. Perfect. That's how the Civic is sounding now. But we're gonna put the straight pipe on there. It's just the back box, isn't it? This is the M2 back box exhaust. It's also got the silencer. There it is. Oops. It's pretty big, to be honest. This is. It also comes with a bung as well, a silencer that goes in, just like the Skyline, to make the car quieter. So, looking forward to doing that. So that can go there. I never actually looked at the underneath this car. This is the Salvage Civic Type R. For those of you guys that don't know, we're going to be repairing that, but I just couldn't help it to get the exhaust on the car first, because I wanted to get the catalyst off this. You know, it's very pricey catalysts on these Type Rs. You know, the exhaust ain't looking too bad, to be honest. So this thing here is going to connect right here like this. But it's looking pretty solid underneath here. No rust whatsoever. It looks like it's been looked after by the previous owner. If you look, there's the catalyst we're gonna get out. Yeah, that's pretty. I wouldn't be able to get that out myself. That's gonna need blow torching by the Mr. Welder man, who's gonna be doing it. All the way up here, there's a bit of oil leak, but it's not excessive. Tires are actually really good as well. Pirelli, loads of life on them. Very good car. I think this is a really good buy, to be honest. Considering the underneath of the car is actually pretty clean as well. Look how clean it is. Let's get a bit back. Look how clean that is. Can't wait to be modifying this car, but let's start off with the exhaust first. You know, can't wait to see how this car sounds like. Drop a comment down below what you guys think and how it's gonna sound. Yes. So you know, with the back one here, 2 bolts. You can't take it off with a torque wrench. You have to get a blowtorch. And again, if you have a look here, how old it looks. It's alright. It's okay. It's alright. And so it's already taking the top 2 here. So this 2 bolts, these are fine, but 2 bolts here, 2 bolts at the back, and it should fall off. Wow. Alright, I know some of you guys mentioned different sort of exhaust. My favorite one is the N1 back box exhaust, but they're just too expensive. I brought them for £60 for this on a Spoke, and I brought this for £60 from a scrapyard. So these two cost me in effect about £110. So yeah.
Just lift it up.
Yeah, I've got it. Lift it up. I've got this. Let's do this. I've got it.
Okay.
Alright.
Wait, let me check first.
Should be a perfect fit. actually pretty heavy, this is.
The lift up.
Up. I think this is a 2-inch pipe, in it? Size?
3-inch.
3-inch? Well, I want it because it gets full power for the car then. 2-inch will restrict the power of the car. Good stuff. Okay. That's it. That looks so good. This is it. Yeah, see how that
The
looks.
problem is,
Yeah.
start now, innit? The flange is different.
Ah.
See?
Oh.
So what do you think now? What shall I do?
See. That's somewhere there or something.
But still different inside the joint.
Yeah,
This joint
yeah.
is different.
8,000. Almost.
8,000.
Yeah, 8,000. Ah, looks so good. This is a nice, easy job, this was. Let's see what this car sounds like. Okay, right. This is a moment of truth now. I don't know what the car is gonna sound like. It's gonna sound loud, it's gonna sound disgusting, or it's gonna sound nice. We don't know. But we're about to start the engine. You know what? I'm not even gonna start the car. I'm gonna let the wilder man start the car up because he actually loves doing mods and cars because it brings him back to his childhood when he had sports cars. So we'll let him do it. Plus we get to stand outside the car so we can get a nice clear sound, because if I started the car up and I was like this, you won't be able to hear it properly. So DWD plates, hood stig, forgot to put that on at the beginning of the video so I can, you know, this part of the channel. This is it, yeah, you're gonna start it up. Yikes. Drive it out. Drive it out. Put the foot down. Yeah, that's so loud, that is. Yikes, man. Madness. This is classic Mercedes as well. Wow, man. That's next level, that is. Anyways guys, I'm gonna have to stop the video there. Literally just to edit this video, it's gonna be a 10-15 minute video. I want to do a separate video of how the car drives with this loud exhaust. So you can drop a comment down below what you guys think on the exhaust. It sounds sick, does it sound not sick? You know, leave your comments down below and tell me what you guys think. So hope you guys like it. See you in the next video, see how this car drives with the big straight pipe exhaust. And may the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.
he record himself with Steve?